Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope that all are you. Happy and well. So in today's video friends, today I will share some beautiful and simple wood home decorate crafts ideas. Wood is a natural material that add warmth and charm to any space. With a little criteria, you can turn wooden piece into amazing decoration for your home. Let's explore some easy ideas. First, you can make wood wall shelves. Take simple wooden planks, paint, and polish. Them and fix them on the wall with cricket. These shells are perfect to display plants, books, or small decoration pieces. Second, try wooden photo frame. Cut wood sticks or use leftover planks to create a frame. Decorate them with paint, jet, tooth, rock, or shells. They look lovely with family photo. Bring a rustic touch to your own. Third, you can create a wooden candle holder, wooden key holder, wooden plant stand, wooden coaster, wooden name sink, wooden tray decoration, wooden wall hanging, wooden organizer. Different ideas, friends. So you can also try wooden coaster. Cut tree branches into slice, polish them and use them as natural coasters. They look simple, elegant, and